Hey everyone, welcome back to CAD Show. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide section fills in Sketchup. This is a useful trick to clean up your models and make your sections look more professional. Let's jump right in. Here we have a simple model with a section plane already set up. As you can see, Sketchup automatically fills the section cut with a solid color. Sometimes, you might want to hide these section fills to get a clearer view of the interior. Let's dive into the first method. Method 1. First, make sure your section plane is active. You can do this by selecting the section plane and making sure it's cutting through your model. Next, go to the Styles panel, which you can find in the default tray on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, you can open it by going to Window greater than Default Tray greater than Styles. In the Styles panel, click on the Edit tab, then select the Modeling Settings icon, which looks like a little house. Here, you'll see the Section Fills option. Simply uncheck the Section Fills box to hide the section fills. You'll notice that the solid fill disappears from your section cut, leaving a cleaner view of your model. If you want to bring back the section fills, just recheck the box. It's as easy as that. To make this change permanent in your style, make sure to update your style by clicking on the circular arrows in the Styles panel. This ensures that the hidden section fills remain hidden every time you use this style. That's method 1. Now, let's move on to the second method for hiding section fills. Method 2. For the second method, we'll use the section fill settings. This is useful if you want more control over the appearance of your section fills. First, make sure your section plane is active. Then, go to View greater than toolbar. In the View dialog box, select Section Fill. Here, you'll see an option called Section Fill. Uncheck this, and you will see the section fill is hidden. This effectively makes the section fill transparent, hiding it from view. And there you have it, 2 effective methods for hiding section fills in SketchUp. Use whichever method works best for your project. Thanks for watching this tutorial on CAD Show. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more SketchUp tips and tricks. Have any questions or suggestions? Leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Cheers!